So our late-breaking work project is called Supporting Physically Active CS Ed for Children, exploring the design of physical play-friendly coding blocks. During this late-breaking work, um, we basically designed and implemented programming blocks on the microbit MakeCode interface in order to incorporate physical play and embodied learning in computer science education. Um, Our theoretical basis is from a constructivist approach to education, pioneered by people like John Dewey um, and Bruner. Um, then we also cite other computer science education interventions like Unruly Splat and Scratch Nodes, which have engaged with some similar themes of embodied learning and physical play. Um, First, we conducted some initial in-person workshops with young children to see how they used a microbit and see how we could supplement their learning process. We analyzed respective physical play activities like children's games and to see what sorts of buttons or code blocks would need to be implemented in the microbit. Um, and then we divided these into categories, uh, implemented these physical blocks into the microbit make code interface, which you could see in this image. And then we did a functionality test with design students from the University from Hong Kong Polytechnic University, just to see how they thought these blocks would work. A next step would be of this project uh, would be to engage with testing with a more naturalist sense or with a more natural target group, because we did not test this on our target population, which was children who want to learn computer science.